Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the two devices ready. Enable Bluetooth on both and activate the phone's Bluetooth tethering or personal hotspot. Make sure the phone is discoverable and the laptop's adapter drivers are up to date so pairing will succeed. Once done, set both devices near each other to avoid interference and disable any airplane or battery saver modes that block connections. Pair now using your laptop's Add Device or Bluetooth pane. Accept the PIN on both sides so the secure link is established. Once paired, you must create a Bluetooth PAN or network connection so internet traffic routes over the link. On Windows, open Network Connections and choose Connect using the Bluetooth network device. On Mac OS, add Bluetooth PAN as a service in Network Preferences and Connect. Make sure the phone is set to allow internet sharing to paired devices so the laptop receives an IP address. If DHCP doesn't assign an address, set a manual IP in the same subnet. This gets you online while you verify routing and DNS. You finish by confirming web access and making the Bluetooth adapter the active route. Open a browser and check the adapter's IP and gateway to ensure traffic flows. If you have Wi-Fi connected, temporarily disable it or change interface metrics so the Bluetooth link carries internet traffic. If things go wrong, no internet, high latency, or disconnects, repair the devices, restart Bluetooth on both, toggle phones tethering, and update drivers. This commonly fixes auth or routing failures, so you regain a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.